Whoop, 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 whoop. No. Well, this is not how I anticipated this ride going. It's friggin' raining. It was supposed to rain for like maybe an hour today, like 50% chance. And here we are soaked and wet. But I got the bike out. Might as well record a video, I guess. Been sitting at this red light for the last 5 minutes. I don't guess it's gonna change. Maybe if I scoot up, this person will scoot up. Nice. I guess he's not gonna scoot up. Scoot up. That'd be fantastic. Thanks, bud. OMG. This sucks. Hallelujah. Let's get wet, boys. I can't see. My visor's completely covered in water. Oh well. It happens. Happens to the best of us. It sucks because the rain friggin' hurts. It's like getting shot with birdshot. It's fantastic. At least I wore my jacket today. It's already completely soaked. No wheelies today, boys. I ain't trying to freaking wop out. Yep, can't see shit. Shake some of the water off. Didn't help. I thought driving through a creek was bad. This is even worse. Signal's still on. You know we're ripping it. That's alright. So comment down below. Let me know how y'all's day's going. It's going good. Could be better. No complaints. This isn't going to be that crazy of a video, but might as well record anyway. I was riding this morning, I was recording, but I didn't really feel like recording that much, or really making a video. I just had the camera on. I was like, this is such a lame video. I was saving my battery, so I turned my camera off. Get like, I don't know, a quarter of a mile down after I turned the camera off, car just slams on the brake in front of me because there's a turkey like 10 feet off the road. So I end up locking the brakes up, sliding past him in the other lane. It was great, and of course I didn't even get it on video. I figured I'd share that experience with y'all because I don't really have anything to talk about other than how wet it is. It's always something, I swear, and it's always when I turn the camera off that something stupid happens. Or something video worthy, I guess, happens. I'd like to get down to the Tail of the Dragon pretty soon. I've been caught up with being busy and running back and forth and vacation. I just haven't really had a chance to go out there this year, but if I go, it'll probably be in the evening one day, like during the week. It's just too wild out there during the weekend just to luxuriously ride and enjoy the the ride without having people ride you and tailgate you and all the wrecks and everything. I don't have the patience to deal with all that. I'd rather just go during the week and afternoon sometime whenever there's not a lot of traffic. Kind of have it more to myself than I would during the weekend. Oh my gosh, guys, my wrists and hands are already hurting from the death grip. I know it's a bad habit, but it's kind of hard whenever all the rain is getting your nerves. Go ahead and turn the hot beams on just so nobody can say they didn't see me. Probably not a bad idea. At least it's not windy, like it's a decent rain. It's not blowing me all over the road or anything like that. Nothing crazy. Just a lot of standing water like that. Bam, right in the face. And it sucks because I had a bunch of videos made up. I had like 2 or 3 extra videos that I've recorded the last few days, and I've been trying to just do daily uploads and recording extras so that days like this I have a backup plan. And 2 of the 3 videos I recorded, 2 of the 3 videos I recorded ended up, I had no sound, so I ended up just having to delete them. That's the only way I was able to actually put a video out yesterday, was that I had all the extras, that I had enough that I deleted the ones I didn't have audio when I uploaded my last video I had. So hopefully this rain doesn't last and I can actually smack out some more videos. This is wild. The rain videos, to me, always come out better, but they don't get as many views. It's weird. And if you guys are just tuning into the channel now and you're just seeing this video for the first time, if you haven't subbed, make sure you do that. It's appreciated. But check out my last video. It was pretty wild. We had a good time yesterday, or in the video prior to this video anyway. Just having a good time. Obviously, I mean, I'm not able to do too much today because of the weather. The video yesterday was pretty wild. It was pretty legit. Had a good time. Definitely recommend it, and I'll post it to the end of this video so you guys can go check that out after this one. Whoop, 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 whoop. No, why are you taking up the whole road, dude? Jesus Christ. No, you didn't. You're a piece of shit. What the fuck? I wasn't even going that fast. Like, what the hell? That is not the place you back out in the rain. And you definitely don't take up the whole road. I literally had nowhere to go. Hey guys, test and practice your progressive braking. Because a situation like that, if I'd slammed on the brakes, I would have just slid and smacked them. So I just used all of the brake I had, and I mean, worst case scenario, I bump them a little bit, but we're not going to whop out. But if I had jabbed on the brakes, I would have been toast. But luckily, I used the progressive braking and was able to come to a halt without causing any tremendous damage. But you guys just got to watch out for that stuff. You got to keep your eyes out and actually pay attention, especially in the rain, because no one else is going to pay attention. But I'm going to end the video there. That's too much. I'm just going to ease my way onto the house. I appreciate you guys. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe on the video. It's greatly appreciated. We're still trying to climb up to that 1,000 mark. And yeah, but make sure y'all check out that last video I was talking about. And we'll see you next time. Peace.